The Red Dragon Centre is an indoor entertainment complex in southern Cardiff, the capital of Wales. It was known as the Atlantic Wharf Leisure Village when it opened in 1997. The complex features restaurants, cafés, a Hollywood Bowl bowling alley with arcade amusements, an Odeon multiplex cinema, a casino and an on-site car park. It is located in the Cardiff Bay area, opposite the Wales Millennium Centre. This is close to the A4232 and near Cardiff Bay railway station. It is directly served by Cardiff Bus Route 6, Baycar, and 8, via Grangetown, Central Station, to the city centre. History. The centre opened in 1997 as the Atlantic Wharf Leisure Village. The centre was renamed in 2000 as Red Dragon Centre, named after the commercial radio station for Cardiff and Newport, Red Dragon FM. Red Dragon FM has since been rebranded as Capital FM South Wales. The station is based in the centre, alongside Heart South Wales. The multiplex cinema was originally managed by United Cinemas International, UC. However, in 2004 Odeon and UC were bought by private equity firm Terra Firma, and the two companies were merged under the Odeon name. Centre tenants. Current tenants include Grosvenor Casinos, Bella Italia, Cadwallader's Coffee House, Hollywood Bowl, Five Guys, Odeon, Capital FM South Wales, Heart South Wales and Travelage. See also: List of cultural venues in Cardiff. List of places in Cardiff. External links. Red Dragon Centre. References.